Guys, this is 26 watts of Vin, and I'm gonna unbox my spiky Microsoft robot. Let's unbox. Instructions. The feet and the body, and this all the parts, and the remote over here, and this, and there's the body there over there, see over there, there's the face, it smells good now, and that's it. Thanks for watching.